My name is Little Snow, and in today's video I'll be starting a laggy series. Yeah. But actually I'll be starting a brand new series called Word Survival. And in this series I will start with a house and some necessities that I might need for the future, like chests, what's it called? Furnace, and a crafting table, a bed, an enchanting table, and all this sort of stuff. And also I will start with my very special two guests, if I can get out the door. Lola, and where's Lulu? Lulu? Have I lost Lulu? No, Lulu! Lola, have you eaten Lulu? Lola, look at me. Have you eaten Lulu? Okay, I better go and get Lulu. Okay, now we got Lulu back. Don't know where she went, but Lulu, don't know where you went, but you need to tell me. Lulu, come here. Come here. Lulu. Lulu, don't just look at me with your knife. Lulu! Lulu! Oh my gosh. Lulu, sit down, sit down. Sit. You silly little kitty. You silly little kitty. You are never coming out of that cage. I'm going to have to make your cage bigger next episode. Silly little kitty. Okay, we better get started. We're going to need some trees and yay. There's trees over here. We're going to have to remake the cage a bit so Lulu won't die. Lulu and I can't remember her name now. No, that's Lola. The baby kitten's Lola. And the adult kitten is Lulu. There you go. Finally get my cat's names right. Okay then. Sort this out. Come on. Okay. Break. Now, I'm on my weekend right now, so videos. Okay, I can't be bothered to walk all the way back to our house. Let's get there. So cage. No, sorry. I saw some. Oh. Wait. One. Okay, we're gonna need quite a few. Because we're gonna need to remake the damn cage. Okay, let's just get a bit of stuff. Break. Oh. So, if you started your weekend, comment down below if you have and stuff. It says iron. Nope, mud. And if you haven't, I feel for you. But I've started my weekend, so I'm lucky. Now, some of you would be like, I don't know where anyone lives actually. There's some people live in America. Some people live in like wherever they want to live, pretty much. And I live in England, so happy me. So yeah, this is a new world, and I need to save Lola's life. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to fix this. I've already got 2 levels. Surprised. Oh, I need to remember mobs can spawn. My house looks weird. Cow. Okay, let's make some good armor. Some good weapons even. Mr. Cow. I need to come and get some food. Some food. Kill. Nope. Okay. Need some food. Maybe I should stop sprinting for a while. Okay. There you go. Only 15 so far, but that's alright. It's alright, everything's gonna be alright. Come on! Don't even have this in my house, so might as well bring it home with me. Make some of these. How much does that make? 6, that's alright. Here, we'll go back over there and we'll leave you here, Mr. Crafting Table. Hey, jump, splash. Anywho, we need some oak, unless there's oak over here. No, that's a birch biome, silly. Okay. Bad Lola. So if you want me to get a dog or anything, just tell me and I'll try and find it. There we go. Magically spawn one in. Because I need to name my animals, don't I? How have I not probably gone down, but I haven't even made a axe. Here. We're just going to have anything on every island. Axe. We're going to have like a crafting table on every island. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. I've never seen my hunger go out so quick. Okay then. Come on, jump. Nope. No. Okay, what we're going to do, we're going to put our food on to cook. And then we're going to sort out our kitty cage. The next episode, me and Lola could go for an explore, but I don't trust Lola. 1, 2. There you go. Got the food on oven. Okay, then let's do this. Sort out what our kitties and make sure they don't die. Because someone died a minute ago. Wait, is this the most of my kitty up? No. So we've got Lola and Layla, I think. Lola and Layla. I'm pretty sure it's that. Lola, Layla, Lola. I don't want to hit my kitty though. So careful, careful. Okay, well done, kitty. Okay, let's do this. We might need to go and grab our food. Let's go. Sorry, I'm still trying to get all the controls used to all the controls. There we go. Okay, let's get all of our stuff out what we need. There you go, we'll make you like a cage a bit bigger. Because the kitties are a bit fussy. And I think Lola might die last time. Okay, have we got a spade? Nope, we'll just use our sticks. Okay, let's just do there. Come on. Don't want to hit my kitty. There you go. And we'll just grab this. There you go, we'll just have some weird decorations in there. Okay then. I think these cats are going to be a struggle in this series. Gotta be careful if they ever die. We'll put this here. Oh my god, my cats are dying everywhere. I feel like I'll be stabbing people with cats. Because I know me and I'm going to lose a lot of cats. But I'm going to also gain a lot of cats. Okay, Layla, you're here now. You're a good kitty, aren't you, Layla? Layla? Yes. Sorry for accusing you of killing Lola. Lola walked herself into... What happened to you? It hasn't even ended. Okay, go on. Okay, there you go. There you go. You can go and play. Now, next episode, I'm going to try and get some fish and breed our kitties. Yeah. Oh, we're into that sunset. Let's end it here. So this is today's episode, guys. And little snow out. Woohoo!